Welcome back to another episode of Vape News. Where's Alex? Where's Alex? He's not here.
Do you want to feel like he's here? You know, just in the spirit.
Turn it off.
May the bananas remember him.
Just makes me sad when I hear that.
But what's not sad, Pete?
Yeah.
Is that I am here, and I, for them,
Yeah.
not you, get
No.
to open all of Alex's vape mail.
No, and I don't mind you not doing it for me.
It's not for
It's
you.
inspired by me.
Oh,
the
entirely.
very action
Yeah.
of you raiding the mail.
Yeah, of course.
I've seen the TikTok. I've seen what you're up to.
Don't
but
look at
I've
TikTok.
also seen the huge mound of stock.
It is Alex's massive mound.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And once it's all been unboxed for TikTok.
And what a great place to start. So welcome back to your Saturday installment of We Open Alex's Vape Mail.
Yeah.
Until Alex comes back, I'm going to open his vape mail every day. And once a week, we're going to put it all together for you on this channel just to show you what's coming up on the review channel, the FV Vape Show, and of course what tutorials and product videos are going to come here on Flavour Vapour. Either Pete, Alex, or myself.
Yeah, and what I really like about it is in one show, you get a kind of overview.
A little taster.
Everything that's going on.
I'm just going to have a little
I can't
taster
be
on
asked to
this.
watch all the individual videos. Just watch one.
This basically is for you lazy subscribers that can't be bothered to watch each individual video. And let's face it, there's a lot of them. A video
Yeah.
every day on the FV Vape Show.
Yeah.
Until
if,
Alex comes back.
If you're lazy, that's a bit of a headache, isn't it? Oh, another notification.
And what a great place to start
Yeah.
with true vaping innovation that's coming up.
Water-based vaping.
And that's not just a gimmick. This tastes epic.
So 100% recyclable. And
Every part of it.
the very noticeable difference of water-based vaping, so it's about 30% water.
Yeah.
Most e-liquids are going to be about 30% water.
30%.
Never seen anything like it, but technology's had to change for it, so it heats at a totally different temperature, so you don't get the thickness of a cloud, but what you experience is like this refreshing sensation, like you've just had a drink. So
Doesn't dehydrate you at all.
not at all. So it has a totally different experience. Obviously, the cessation of smoking and vaping is very similar.
Yeah.
You still get that. There's a bit less vapor.
Yeah.
The throat hit is kind of present. It's subtle.
And
It's really easy to vape.
Very easy to vape. And I'll say this, the most important thing is the flavour development for any of us vapors, especially people quitting smoking, which is what this is for.
Yeah.
The flavour development in your mouth is totally unique.
Yeah.
And that's great.
I should talk more about it. So this was actually a collaboration with Inikin.
Yeah.
Everyone knows Inikin.
Yep.
Dead sturdy, dead reliable devices. I love rocking their devices.
Sure.
They've done a collab
Yeah.
with Aqueous.
Sounds like water to me.
Yeah. And this particular one is a recycled material. So they're very focused on a minimal carbon footprint
Yeah.
and recycled material. So when you're done with it, you can pull it apart. If I pull it apart now, it's going to stop working, but I can take it apart entirely
Yeah.
and recycle.
And that's exciting. It's good to see that kind of green innovation. And the clue's in the name. It's called the Lotta Enviro. And there's a lot of environment to save. See what I've done? No?
No,
Okay.
I mean,
Oh,
it was
right,
good.
Yeah,
it was
yeah,
good. I particularly enjoyed covering these for a review because the flavours are immense and the delivery of those flavours is a totally new experience. Like I say, it's more refreshing with VG-PG.
Yeah.
Obviously, VG is known for its kind of properties in the cough mixture game. Okay,
There's a game for that
in the game,
in the game. Wow.
and you do get that lining.
Right.
So you notice it's like a coating on the tongue. You want to.
None of this is actually scientific, by the way. This is just Pete's school of
but
science.
with this, it's like you feel a moisture.
Yeah.
You feel a moisture. And I'm not saying you inhale it and it feels really wet, but your tongue feels hydrated.
I'm going to move on from feeling wet.
Well, I'm trying to put it across in words, AJ. That's the game.
And the problem is, as Extreme says, it's more than words.
Well,
Yeah.
I think
No?
it was Westlife that said it's only words.
And moving on, I'm going to go for my product of the week.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And that is the Vaporesso Oh So Small.
It's not called the Oh So Small. No, it's not.
What is it called then?
Well, it's the Osmol.
The O Small 2.
Osmol, O Small. There's a lot of reviews on this. It's just dropped in the UK. It's a convenient daily carry. So if you've come from...
Convenient doesn't even cut it. Look at that.
If you've come from a disposable and you've found the flavour you like, buy it in a bottle. It's going to be a lot cheaper for you on an ongoing cost. And fill up one of these pods. Away you go. There's no buttons, no stress, no leakage, no hassle. Auto fire.
Auto fire, really great delivery. That is lovely. It's so, I cannot stress how stealthy this is.
Yeah, it's designed to be really light.
Super light.
And convenient as a daily carry. It does all of that.
This is definitely my product of the week. I really loved this. A great little bit of hardware from Vaporesso. But what is your product of the week, Pete?
Well, I've actually picked something a bit different. I've picked an e-liquid.
Oh, that's interesting.
Would you like to see my e-liquid?
Get your e-liquid out.
It is a lemon and lime flavour. Shall I show it to this camera? Here we go.
Yeah. Oh,
there we go.
Okay, so trash candy salts, and you've gone for the yellow gummy. Be careful not to turn it all the way around, Pete.
What have I done? I'm just going to hold it still.
That's good.
The risk of YouTube jail.
Is strong. YouTube jail.
Right. Without Alex here, the best bit, 1%. If you come from disposables, it's 1%.
Of course it's 1%.
If you've not come from disposables, then it's 10 mg. I really like a lower nicotine. I particularly enjoy a salt. Nice, smooth, quick acting.
Yeah.
Compared to freebase, where you get that kind of longevity of nicotine. But I really like it. Flavours, banging. Lemon and lime. There's a whole profile range that we can go through.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's my product of the week.
Trash candy salts.
I should show the box carefully. Can I do the box just carefully?
Yeah.
Okay, careful. Whoa, there it is. See that?
Nice.
That's what it looks like on the shelf.
You got it rocking in anything? Can I see it vaping in action?
You want to see me vape?
I want to see the money shot, let's be honest.
Okay.
There we go. Yeah. Nice. Mouth to lung, Nick Salt, rocking it.
Yeah, I mean, you don't want to be sub-ohming.
And those of you at home, you don't have to use a 21700 mod for your Nick Salt device.
No,
that's overkill.
No, it's not overkill. I find it convenient. I like it. It's a simple setup.
What's it on? What wattage are you putting that out at?
It's 11.
The Chroma 217 was not designed to run at 11 watts.
No, but at 11 watts, battery for days.
Literally like 4 or 5 days.
So it's amazing. That's my product of the week. I love a good juice.
Okay, then.
It doesn't matter. Like, you could pick anything here. Yeah. But for me, a nice juice every now and then gets me excited about vaping.
All right. Okay. Well, if you've gone for your juice, can I go for another device?
You certainly can.
Can I?
There's some good ones to choose from.
So I had my device of the week was from Vaporesso.
Right.
Vaporesso would disagree with me. Their device of the year.
Wrong button. Their device of the year.
Yes, the Vaporesso Luxe X.
Yeah, so this is claimed to be Vaporesso's top pod. This is what they're calling their device of the year. Now, as pod system goes, I've not come across anything from an ease of use point of view that ticks all the boxes like this does. Proper cloudy, proper convenience. Everyone's looking at a piece of that disposable market. They've realised that actually it's a market all about convenience. People don't want to be getting covered in juice. They don't want leaking. They don't want to be pressing buttons and burning coils. You don't change a coil in this. You change a pod.
Yeah.
I'm not a huge fan of that. I like changing coils over pods.
Yes, but Pete, firstly, you're a vape nerd. Secondly, you've got a lot of time on your hands. Thirdly, it's not for you. This is for the masses.
And for everyone else, it's awesome because it's, yes, you've got to press a button to vape on it.
Yeah.
But take another vape. This is how cloudy it gets. From a beginner's point of view, you can go straight to a device like this.
It's incredible.
Full on flavour.
Flavour is amazing. Ease of use. It feels lovely. And I'll say it. I'll say it out loud. It looks incredible.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a funky little device.
And looks are important.
And something that you can run a 70-30 e-liquid with. So most beginner devices, they're aimed at the 50-50s, the salts, and the higher nicotines. When you're taking in a bigger amount of vapor, you want to drop down your nicotine. You want to go to a 70-30. Totally different experience. The quality of vape from a 70-30 is so smooth. It's just another offering. And I really like that in a convenient pod.
I almost knocked everything over then.
There would have been boxes.
It would have been calamity.
There would have been another YouTube strike.
There would have been, actually. There's just URLs galore. This is like walking a tightrope right now.
Yeah.
And talking of walking a tightrope.
Yeah, we've got a tightrope coming in.
We have, and it's the tightrope of TPD. So something for our non-UK viewers.
Oh, so
on your side of the table.
And there is quite a lot of non-TPD viewers.
Of course, over half.
This is something that, for all of you in the comments going, oh, can you cover? Here we are, we're covering. SMPO.
Yes.
They're outside of TPD regions.
Yeah.
They're allowed to do something that is super cool. They can have a disposable for sub-ohm vaping. Cool, super cool.
Super cool. Yeah,
right?
yeah.
We can't have that in the UK. So if you're in the UK, yeah, it kind of sucks. But this is what we could have had. Mango Ice, 70-30, 3 mg of nicotine, dual coil. Restricted direct to lung.
USB-C charging.
Oh, I didn't do that bit, did I? USB-C charging.
Juice window.
Yeah, and it's awesome. This device comes with a little bit different. You have to prime it, so you do have to wait a little bit when you start.
It's a sub-ohm coil, of course you do.
And with this, it's dead easy though. You just push down on the mouthpiece.
Clicky, clicky, off you go.
It dunks the coil. Then you've got to leave it your 5 minutes sort of thing, and then you're good to vape. But incredible flavours. Yeah, we've covered these for a review, and that's really on the basis that there's a lot of people outside of TPD regions that are going, when are you going to cover this? Okay, we've done it.
There you go, we've done it. It's on the FV Vape Show, ready for you non-TPD viewers. And for you TPD viewers, just to lust over, because I'm excited to get my hands on it. But talking of excited, Pete.
Yes.
What is my favourite kind of juice?
Right, an AJ juice is typically a little bit grapey, a little bit Ribena.
Yeah.
70-30.
Oh, yeah.
Low nicotine, like a 3 mg.
And almost by chance, sliding into shot, we have Sherbs. The Sherbs range of short fills, 70-30 galore. And of course, I've picked out the blackcurrant zest.
What's the point?
What do you mean, what's the point?
But for me, vaping's all about the experience of trying new stuff. I love mixing up. I like going for, one day I'm on a dessert and then I'm on something with like a drink and an icy type of flavour.
Yeah, no, I do that. One day it's blackcurrant, then it might be grape, and then it might be like a pink lemonade, and then back to blackcurrant, and then like maybe a grape.
Yeah, it's not really the spirit of it. And if Alex was here, he would get a wet fish and slap you with it.
Get in the sea.
Yeah.
So yeah, Sherbs have come out with a range of 50ml short fills, 70-30, a whole range of sherbety, fruity, drinky delights.
You could have gone goodness.
I actually was going to,
well,
but I thought goodness was a rubbish word to use.
Okay, fine, sure.
Do you remember that list of like positive adjectives that we had?
Yeah.
Yeah, goodness wasn't on there.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, I'm rocking it.
Oh, the level of excitement for another grape.
It's not. It's blackcurrant zest. Look, I'll slide it into shot again. Look. Oh,
let's just have
zest.
Let's have a little whiff of it, because before I vape, I quite often just give it a little sniff test.
Hold on. Last week, I said before I vape anything, I like to sniff it, and you went, "No one else does that," and now that's exactly what you just did.
Did I say that on camera?
Yeah, no, it's on a video.
Yeah, I don't always do it. Just this once. Okay, so it smells like everything else around. Smells like just hanging out with you.
Yeah, that's fair. It's 70-30.
Yeah.
Zero nick. Obviously, I will short fill nick it up to a 3 because hardcore. It's amazing. Beautiful. Do you want to have a go?
I would like to.
Go on, I'll let you this time.
Okay, I need to prepare you for this. This is the moment that Pete tries to cover up having the biggest dry hit of all time. And if you look at the expression in his eyes, you can actually see the life leaving him. Does quite a good job, but now you know it's a dry hit, it's just so much funnier.
That is a lot of Ribena for me. That is an awful lot. And, do you know...
That's too good.
It's kind of pointless. Whenever I try one of your vapes, I'm always like, okay, meh. But, you know, I've done it. I've done it.
The reaction, your face was everything.
I was expecting it to surprise me in some way. Like, oh, AJ set me up for a little bit of a surprise. No, it's just another AJ juice. If you had tried one of the others, we could have shared some real excitement.
I did pick out Magic Mango there, but
I would have liked that.
yeah, exactly.
I never used to like mango. However, I pushed myself when trying disposables.
Yeah,
And I found there's plenty of really good mangoes.
yeah, that's true.
Zovu,
They do a good mango.
possibly the best mango.
Ooh,
Is it the best? I don't know.
That
I've
sounds
not done my top
that
5.
sounds like a title for a future video to me.
Maybe I will.
And that's actually a great place to end it.
Oh, are we
Future
done?
videos.
Is there nothing else here?
I think we're done. I think
Oh.
that is all the products that are coming up in the future, the coming weeks.
Well, not for the future, just
Some of
for
them
the
are-
immediate
Yeah,
future.
some of them have already happened.
There'll be other stuff, and I suggest you stick around and give us the chance to better ourselves by hitting that subscribe button, because by hitting subscribe, it lets us know that you want to see more.
And of course, if you want to see some of the other reviews, they will be sat over on the FV Vape Show channel. I'll link it below. Just head on over there to see more of the three of us talking about vape stuff.
Or e-liquid reviews. I could quite happily sit down and do an e-liquid review on some of these ranges.
Yeah. Okay.
Maybe smash that like button if that's what you're into.
It could be.
Yeah.
And
Lemon
well,
and lime. Oh, you want me to vape it? Okay.
that's,
I'll try the others as well.
I mean,
I'll tell
that
you
is
about them.
actually your job.
Yeah.
You just have to vape stuff. Talk kind of coherently about it.
When I go home,
Yeah.
what have you been up to today? I haven't stopped, is what I say. I haven't stopped.
Yeah, 'cause-
Bang, get in there first.
Yeah.
Haven't stopped.
Black cat.
Yeah.
That's
now
good.
what? Now what? Oh, so yeah, we've done the subscribe, we've done the hit like.
Ending. We need an
We
ending.
don't actually have an ending
No.
because you know, Alex has copyright claimed the ending.
That's true.
So, you know, I've been me.
You can't say the rest of it. So, I mean, are you still doing it? Yeah.
I'm not saying it.
Just the noises.
I'm just taking them through the motions. But in the absence of that, all we're left with is this terrible ending that AJ's come up with. Go for it, AJ. Take them to the outro.